You have a great idea and you form a business. Everyone else thinks that it's a great idea and your business grows and grows and grows. Pretty soon, you can no longer handle bookkeeping, sales, customer service, administration, whatever, without computerizing things. So you buy a server, a couple of PCs, and you're happy. But soon, you feel like you're pushing a watermelon through a garden hose. So you buy some more PCs, a bunch of software programs, another server or two, or three. Hire an IT guy. Then a server crashes and burns. You pony up some more of your hard-earned cash to replace it, lose some data, and spend more money fixing that problem. Your great idea is still growing, so you hire more employees and buy more PCs, more servers, more stuff. Your IT guy, who you now secretly suspect runs the company, not you, says your network is acting funny. Okay, so he said it in a language you doubt is actually English, but you surmise that it roughly translates out to cough up more cash. By now, your network reminds you of Mrs. Smith's organic chemistry class, incomprehensible and defeating. Your IT is also like a financial black hole and an affront to your capitalist principles. Somebody says, dude, you need to move to the cloud. So you shift CRM and sales programs out there, move email and data backup out there, get rid of a couple of servers, simplify life. You breathe a sigh of relief, but it's short-lived. Your hosted CRM gets hacked. You have problems with email, and your provider isn't helpful. Your customers bombard you with angry phone calls because their info on your CRM has been compromised. And at the same time, you're imagining all the bucks you're flushing down the toilet. You realize you've multiplied the number of people frustrating you instead of just your IT guy, who is telling you something about fragmented service and not my problem, man. Your network is slowing down, and the answer is more money for a bigger pipe. You're considering smacking somebody with that pipe when you lose your internet connection and all these key pieces of your business become silent and unavailable. You may be enjoying the peace and quiet, but you realize that this is no way to run a business. Time to get control. But how? And then it hits you. Something your IT guy mentioned that actually did sound like English. Local cloud computing. Your IT guy says it combines the good things about cloud computing and the responsiveness and reliability you've only dreamed of thus far. He says you'll no longer buy all those servers and PCs, and you can start worrying about which IT stuff is best. What to do when it breaks, when to replace it, because it's outdated. You don't worry because you don't own it. Your IT provider owns it and manages it, and the headaches are his. You just get to use your computers without headaches and black holes, which is really what you wanted to do all along. And you're not dependent on the internet to keep you connected to the IT stuff you need. You're free. Free to get your idea to market more efficiently. Free to have other great ideas, to frolic in the sun, well, you get my point. With local cloud computing, you'll get way more for way less.